Hello my friends, I'm Miss Blackston and I am going to be your teacher in first grade this year. I am so excited to get this school year started. So we can't be together for a normal open house, so I want to give you a little tour of the room and talk about some of the things that we are going to be doing and seeing this year. But before we do that, I need to get my mask on because we are going to be wearing our masks every single day, all day long. You have to make sure when we put on our masks that we hold on to the straps. We don't want to touch the front. Don't want to touch the front. So we want to touch the straps only when we put it on. And I have glasses, so sometimes this can be a little tricky. So you really have to work around the glasses if you have them. But we're going to stretch it over our ears and make sure that the mask is over our nose and under our chin, okay? So one of the things that we're going to do first is go ahead and take a tour of the classroom. So let's go. So you'll see as we come in that a lot of things are the same as in kindergarten, but we do have some differences too. So as we look around the room, you'll notice that we do have a sink. Our drinking fountain can't be used this year, so you'll want to bring a water bottle if you feel like you're going to need to have something to drink. We do have bathrooms in our classroom, just like you did in kindergarten, and a calendar, lots of books that we will be reading, which I'll talk about in a little bit, but this one might be new, your smart board. I don't know if you had a smart board in kindergarten. They are so much fun to use. This poster should look familiar. It's our classroom behavior expectations. It's the same as you had in kindergarten. We need to remember to be safe, be kind, and be responsible. We also have some special classroom rules. These are things that I will expect you to be following every single day. It will help keep us safe, it will help us to be responsible, and it shows that we are kind. Does this look familiar? It should. I know you talked about whole body listening when you were in kindergarten. Here are our specials for first grade. You can see that starting on our first day of school, we'll be having art class. It's going to be a little different this year because instead of going to our special classes, our special teachers are coming to our classroom. And then right after special, you're going to have recess. Along with regular calendar, we'll be doing calendar math every single day. These are our mailboxes. You'll need to check yours every single day to see what needs to go home. This is what your desk will look like. You can see that there is a seat pocket to keep a few things in. You're already starting out with a special gift, a book for you to read, and we do have a book box. Now, it's a little different this year because we have to put our books into quarantine for a few days when we switch them out. So I will be choosing books for you, and then we will be rotating them through after they are cleaned and sanitized. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our classroom and hearing about some of the things that we are going to be doing. Before we go any further though, I want to talk about taking off our masks because remember we'll be taking them off to eat breakfast and lunch. So again, we don't want to touch the front of our masks. So you want to touch the sides, and if you have glasses like me, you have to be very careful when you take it off so you don't get them stuck on the arms of your glasses. And then once you have your mask off, set it on your desk until we need to put them back on again, okay? I am so excited for Tuesday. I hope you're excited as well. And you need to be looking in your mail because I sent you something very, very special that I want you to do on Monday night before our first day of school, okay? So look for that in your mail, and I cannot wait to get to know each and every one of you starting on Tuesday. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye.